How to fix Instagram feedback required. So in this video I will share with you and teach you how to fix this on your Instagram account. So just watch this video till the end. So now and first go and open settings of your phone. After this go and open apps or applications. Here as you see we found all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search only for Instagram. When you found it, click on it like this and go to storage. On storage now guys, go to the last button, clear that, and click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram. If it's not updated, then go and up you have to restart your phone. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.